Alright guys, let's tie up the nymph that actually caught my biggest trout when I started nymphing for the first time. This is a very easy pattern, it's nothing hard to do, so just follow up. So we tie in the wire in the bead. Go all the way back. We're gonna have some hen in the back, mottled brown or something like that. It's a very, very nice color. We take out a few fibers. Then we put them like this, tie them up on the top of the hook. I think that's good. We can tie them all in. Something like that. And then we're gonna have some brown dubbing. So this fly means a lot to me because with such a great memory, I can show a picture of the fish right here. And yeah, it was an amazing experience. I also fell in the water actually catching it, so it was really cool. So we just put the dubbing on the hook pretty much all the way up here. Take the copper wire and just put it on. Even segmentation to here. Secure it. So this is a very heavy nymph. This is a 4mm bead. I like to fish heavy flies because I usually fish in pretty deep waters. Now we're actually going to do a dubbing loop. So you just pull the thread, put your fingers like this, if you can see. Like that. Then we're using a tool to put in the loop so you can spin it. You can see in the description what kind of tool it is, so you also can use it if you want it. We put some pine squirrel dubbing in the loop. And then we spin. Take the brush, just to get some fibers out pretty much. Just like that. Secure. And then we can cut the thread off. And then we use some squirrel dubbing on the thread as well. So we make a dubbing noodle. Pull the fibers back. Like that. Then we do a whip finish. Then we bring out the brush again and we just try to grab some fibers, and then we Just stroke them like that. So this fly is approved by me, and I think you should try this fly. It's just such an easy tie, and it looks amazing when it's wet. Just like that.